Hello everyone and welcome to break 2013 for the 2019 Topps Archives Signature Series Active Player Edition. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It is Thursday, May 7th, 2020. It's 10:49 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:49 p.m. Central Time, and 7:49 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Vladdy Cards, 3 spots, Brian 4, Bryant 1, E-Rock 2, Arinsky 6, Ryan RYSK with 12, and Lobo with 2 spots. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. We have Vladdy Cards on top, Lobo on the bottom. Once, twice, 3 times. 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Brian on top, Ryan on the bottom. Brian and Ryan. Brian has the Diamondbacks, Ryan with the Braves, Vladdy Cards, Orioles, Ryan Red Sox, Lobo Cubs, Ryan White Sox, Brian Reds, Rinsky Indians, Brian Rockies, Rinsky Tigers, Ryan Astros, Brian Royals, Ryan Angels, Dodgers, Rinsky Marlins, E-Rock Brewers, Vladdy Cards Twins, Ryan Mets, Rinsky Yankees, Athletics, Ryan Phillies, E-Rock Pirates, Brian with the Padres, Lobo Giants, Ryan Mariners, Cardinals, Vladdy Cards Rays, Rinsky Rangers, Ryan Blue Jays, and the Washington Nationals. We're all sealed up. Let's see who we have. Whichever team's on the card, that's where the card will go. And Steve Pearce auto for Baltimore, 35 out of 93. Steve Pearce, Baltimore Orioles first baseman auto, very nice. There he is. Okay, Baltimore. Let's see who has Baltimore. Baltimore Orioles going to Vladdy Cards 88. Congrats, Vladdy Cards, and break 2013 for the 2019 Topps Archive 6 Series Active Player Edition. We want to thank each and every one of you for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Be sure to check out us on eBay, social media, and please click that red button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in the autograph baseball, and then we're on to break 2014 for the 2020 version of what we just opened. Thanks.